Hi, my name is Steve Farmer and I'm the owner of Danken Trail BBQ.
Hi, my name is Jessica Farmer. I am co-owner and general manager of Danken Trail BBQ. This is my dad.
Danken Trail was started in 1983 by Dan Bannister and Kendall Parish, which is also where the name came from. Dan and Ken put them together and it was Danken Trail. We do basically what Dan did when he started the restaurant years ago. We've only added a couple of menu items. We do what we do and we try to do that the original way. We are a family atmosphere. We don't serve alcohol, we never will. We're closed on Sundays, against a lot of people's wishes, but we'll never be open on Sundays. Just a good family environment. Come enjoy a meal.
Bring your kids, be a part of our family for a little while.
Typical days, come in early in the morning, get the pit started, get the food on. By lunch, we're ready to go, and then we repeat that in the evening. Our briskets usually stay on the pit somewhere between 8 and 10 hours. Pork is about the same, but we put a lot of smoke in what we do.
Every Thursday evening, typically starting about 1 p.m., we fire that charbroiler grill up, and you got steaks and pork chops, and then we also have daily specials that change Monday through Thursday periodically as we reevaluate and see what we're selling and what needs to be adjusted for it.
One of the hidden gems on our menu is our catfish. We have some of the best catfish around, but being a barbecue restaurant, after 42 years, we still run into people every week that have no idea we do catfish. The best thing we're known for is the barbecue beans. Dwayne has been here since opening. This is the only job Dwayne's ever had. Dwayne handles the back of the house, the kitchen, and when you come up and you order something, most likely Dwayne's going to be cutting your meat and finding out what your order is. He is a cornerstone of this restaurant. A couple of years ago, we had a customer come in and was verified by one of my employees to be the first customer who ever purchased anything from Danken Trail when it was in the building next door. We got a picture of her and got to meet her and talk with her for a little while, but that was 30-something years after it had opened before we came into the picture, so it was a pleasure to meet her. We're able to do a lot of community service. We're able to help with a lot of organizations, schools, charities and stuff like that. That's probably the favorite part to me.
Getting to make customers happy. Seeing them come back the second, third, and fourth time.
People have grown up with Danken Trail, and they come back, and we certainly appreciate the trust the community is given in us.
We appreciate each and every one of our customers that walk through the store. We just want to take this opportunity to say thank you for supporting our business for so many years and keeping us thriving. And we hope to continue to serve you as well as you have served us in this community. So thank you.